my man on here, but we'll be cracking up though. He makes me wheeze, dude.
You guys will have to have like an hour podcast.
Oh, we will, because he
here.
makes me wheeze. He's
Do
so
an extended version with
we'll
the
have
hubby.
to. It'll probably be like that, because this is season 1, so we're wrapping up season 1. I think today. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask.
Are you loving having a podcast?
I love having people over and people talking, and there's been like I'm absolutely loving it, and my producer's awesome. He's taught me so much. It's so cool, and like